In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart image pop-up on Shopify. Having a clear size chart is one of the easiest ways to reduce returns and make your customers feel confident about buying. Instead of sending people to a separate page, we're going to set up a simple pop-up that appears right on the product page, exactly where shoppers need it. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the online store section and click it. This will open your themes area, and at the top you'll see your current live theme. Next to that theme, click Edit Theme, which will open the theme editor where we'll make all of our changes. Inside the theme editor, look toward the top of the screen for the page selector. It's often set to Home Page by default. Click that drop-down, then go to Products and choose Default Product. This will switch the preview on the right to a typical product page, and the settings on the left will now be specific to product templates. On the left panel, find the product information section. It may already be expanded, but if not, click the little arrow next to it to reveal all the blocks underneath. These blocks control things like the title, price, and size selector on your product page. Now click Add Block under Product Information, and from the list of block types, choose Pop-up Link. Once it's added, drag and drop this pop-up link block to position it where you want it, ideally just under your variant or size picker so customers see it right when they choose a COIs. The pop-up link block will come with two default text subblocks. You don't need these, so hover over each one and click the trash icon on the right to delete them. This keeps your pop-up clean and focused on the size chart content. Now, under the pop-up link block, click Add Block again. If your size chart lives on a separate page in Shopify, choose the page block. If your size chart is an image file, you would choose Image instead. In this example, we'll use a page block. After adding it, click on that page block to open its settings. Click Select Next to Page, then choose your size chart page from the list and confirm. Next, click directly on the pop-up link in the preview on the right. In the settings for that pop-up link, find the text field and replace the default Learn More label with something clearer, like Size Chart. This is the text your customers will click on. Now, in the preview, click the pop-up link and then click the open icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing to the upper right. You should see a pop-up appear displaying your size chart content. If it looks good and everything is working as expected, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. That's it. You've successfully added a size chart pop-up to your Shopify product page.